Hello everyone, today I'm bringing you a little video about motor vehicle fuel lines, but first a little bit about safety in your garage. We must be mindful that fires and explosions do cause serious injury and property damage within the motor industry, but incidents have also occurred during welding and the grinding back of metal bodywork, for example where stray sparks have ignited the petrol vapour. So always be very careful when working around fuel systems. A good tip is to always use a fuel retriever for draining tanks and lines. And I've placed a link in the description below of such a tool you can use, which can be purchased very cheaply for the home garage. And please remember, standard rubber vacuum or heater hose should never ever be used in vehicle fuel applications. The hose will deteriorate from the inside out and can then block fuel filters and carburetors and injection systems with rubber debris long before it will eventually spring an external leak. Here is an example of a fuel hose that has suffered with age. In fact, this classic car fuel hose is over 30 years old. This example of fuel hose is designed for a small marine craft and is marked with the standard ISO 7840. A quick bit of Google research will show you a description of the standard for the hose you are looking to buy. These types of fuel lines are made from hard black nylon tubing with special connectors. Always try to identify the standard of hoses fitted on older vehicles and replace them if in doubt. In this example, the petrol hose has been located far too close to a hot exhaust manifold, despite it being thermally protected. And here is a good quality high pressure anti-static fuel hose. Okay, in summary, be safe when working around fuel. Don't use heater or vacuum hose for fuel lines. Use the correct standard of hose for your application and carefully route any hoses to avoid any problems. I hope this short video has been thought-provoking. Please do leave us a comment below if you found the video useful, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel so you can be notified of any new videos. Thanks for watching, take care and see you soon.